Hey everybody, we are here at our latest project that we're going to be starting, which is Inglewood. And by we I mean me, I am just walking through today before they start demo. I always like to get final pictures, kind of get a feel of the space one last time before we do design decisions, and I thought you might be interested to see what we're going to do. So I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see the house and kind of walk you through each space. So we're going to start here. Actually, there's the original front door. I'm actually going to start back here a little bit, give you guys an idea of what outside the house looks like. So we have a pretty traditional Tudor style house here. Stucco exterior, roof's in great shape. You can see the brick detailing, the exposed brick. So we'll work with the exterior color scheme to make sure all of that stays in with the feel of the rest of the house. We're gonna walk in. Front door actually is in great shape. We're just going to refinish that. We're actually gonna preserve it. The great thing about this type of a project is this type of a door is really expensive to buy. So if you can salvage it, it's a great way to keep the character of the house. So here we've got the living room. Again, as characteristic of a lot of old houses, if you look at the ceiling, we have no lights in here. So there's just one switched outlet. So obviously we'll be adding some can lights. Fireplace will be converted to gas for ease for the new homeowners. Something else that's pretty standard in a lot of the renovation projects we do, you can see here, all these windows, and there's quite a few of them. These are all original. So they're gonna need to be replaced. More energy efficient, great benefit for a buyer. You can also see we've got radiators here in the living room, which means this house has no AC. So we are gonna be adding forced air, heat, and cooling, and we're gonna be adding ductwork throughout the house, all 3 levels. So this is the existing kitchen. At some point, we're guessing maybe 20 or so years ago, these cabinets were updated and granite was put in. We're gonna reconfigure the kitchen, take out this wall right here. If you go over to the end of the kitchen, we've got stucco exterior, as I said before. So we're actually gonna shorten up that window and we're gonna slide the fridge over to get some more counter space and put new cabinets, countertops, appliances in. We already have the door to the front door to the backyard, so that'll be kept. We've got a great 2.5 car garage too, which in this neighborhood is a big bonus. A couple bedrooms that are pretty boring on this level, just paint, refinished hardwood floors throughout. They're gonna get new windows as well. This bathroom at some point had a renovation, but one of the things that was kept was the tub, so it's a little bit shorter than standard tubs right now. So obviously we're gonna take that out. Once we take the tub out, might as well do the tile. So that's gonna get a facelift as well. One of the things that was really important with this space was this upstairs. So since there's no ductwork, there's no AC up here. So the prior owner had lived here for 11 years, never used this space. So where those windows are at the end of the room, we're actually gonna add a master bathroom. We've actually got the space to do that, which will be great. So this will be a private master suite upstairs. I have a walk-in closet over here too. And then all of this paneling will come out. Drywall will be installed. And I haven't decided yet. It's gonna depend on a lot of the demolition. I'd love to try to keep the wood floors up here if we can. We'll see. Sometimes with the upper level bedrooms, it does help to have carpet from a sound standpoint. We'll have to just wait and see. Okay, lower level. There's another opportunity space.